Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing Tactiq and granting the minimal permissions so it can capture captions. First, add the Chrome extension and sign into your Google account. This lets Tactiq access Meet captions and your basic settings. Once installed, open Google Meet and turn on captions. Tactiq hooks into those live captions to generate notes. Make sure the Tactiq icon shows as active in the toolbar. That visual cue confirms you're ready to capture transcripts. Once in the meeting, click the Tactiq icon to begin capturing. You'll see live transcript lines appear. You should choose where notes go: autosave to Google Drive, export locally, or copy snippets to clipboard, because that determines your post-meeting workflow. Then open Tactiq settings to set language and enable speaker labeling so notes are organized. Tweak highlight rules to tag action items automatically. These steps ensure useful, searchable notes instead of raw caption dumps, which saves time later. To finish, export the transcript to your preferred format, TXT, SRT, or a Google Doc, and share it with attendees so everyone has an actionable record. You can edit highlights, add timestamps, and assign tasks directly in the exported file to clarify ownership. If something goes wrong, first re-enable Meet captions or refresh the browser tab. Make sure browser microphone and extension permissions are intact. These quick checks fix the most common capture issues so you don't lose critical notes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.